Sarap kumain after leg din. Bale pala sa meal ko ito, karamihan ng carbs ko andito. Kasi alright guys, so currently 6 weeks and 4 days out from WNBF Taiwan. For now, our video would be about full day of eating. 100 grams carbs. So, ngayon makikita nyo paano ko yung i-budget, kumbaga. Kung sa pera pa, dapat matalino ka paano i-spend yung calories or yung macros na yun for the day. Since mababa ng carbs mo, importante yung timing or yung pasok ng carbs. Dati kasi, naalala nyo sa previous videos ko, nag-oatmeal pa ako sa post-cardio. Sa buhay, kakagana pa. Ngayon, pag nilagay ko yun post-cardio, gugutumin ako the rest of the day. Kaya, dapat around the training session siya. Kasi yung importante sa cut is ma-maintain mo yung performance mo sa gym. Pag hindi, limit ka. The rest of the day, early in the morning or late in the night, kahit di ka mag-carbs actually. Kasi di naman yun masyadong makaka-affect sa performance mo sa gym. For meal 1, I have 1 whole egg and 5 egg whites with added spinach and salt for sodium and fiber para hindi tayo makagutom masyado. Plus, nagko-coffee pa rin ako. Then, my second meal, mga 3 hours after, I'll have some sort of carbs and proteins, you know. This would be the same with my post-workout meal and my last meal, except na sa last meal ko, di na ako naglalagay ng carbs. Hindi naman na need kasi tapos naman na ako mag-training. So, I'll just have some cucumber for that as my sides for my protein. Yun! Papakita ko sa iyo kung paano pine-prepare yung chicken patties ko na sobrang sarap. Sobrang bango nga eh. Pero, it's for you guys to try, kaya watch it na lang din. Give it a try. And if you like it, please comment it down in the comment section para at least alam din ng iba kung di ba na legit yung recipes. So, I just enjoyed this and you guys watch the clip. Be rolled. So, this is how I make my high-protein chicken burger patty. It's perfect for meal prep when you want to switch things up from your usual plain old boring chicken breast. So, start by grounding your chicken. Add your veg, like your onions, garlic, and carrots. Mix it up, add it, then put some egg to make things stick together. Then season it with salt and pepper and with our secret ingredients, Splenda. So yun yung papasarap talaga. So if you want, you can add some seasoning here for that umami flavor, pero di ko na nilagyan. Yung nagkamote nga pala tayo. To be real, I don't make this every day because it's kind of inconvenient for sometimes. Pero when I've got time and want something different from my plain old pan-fried chicken, then this is the spot. So yun. So then just fry the burger. And syempre, no color, no flavor. So yun. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Alam mo guys, pag dumating na kayo sa point na mababa na food niya, doon talaga pumapasok yung tipong gusto mo nang bumitaw. Pero doon din yung makikita mo kung gano'n katatag isip mo. Kasi ba't mo mapapahirap ng sarili mo, diba? Pero pag sinabi kasing prep, ibang mentality dapat yung meron ka. Okay lang matempt. Importante hindi ka bumigay. Siyempre, tao lang naman kung matempt ka. Importante lang, labanan. Kasi once na bumigay ka, isipin mo, lahat ng mga cheat meals mo or lahat ng mga paghihina mo within the prep or lahat ng weaknesses mo na hindi mo na-conquer during the prep, mag-show lahat yun sa stage. Kaya napaka-importante na locked in ka talaga. Ako, gahanap-hanap na lang ako ng mga alternative or yung mga food na prep-friendly, gumagawa-gawa ng recipes, ganon. So, ini-enjoy ko talaga every meal. Yun na lang yung inaabangan ko sa araw, yung makakain ng kamote. Ito nga pala, share ko lang. Sobrang lethargic na ako. The only time na hindi ako lutang is kung nasa gym ako, kung nagbubuhat. Kasi pag wala kang ginagawa sa bahay, tapos wala ka pang carbs, ewan ko na lang, parang natulala lang. Halos buong araw ko gumagana lang ako. Maglalakad ako for cardio, na ganito paglakad ko. Yun lang talaga. Parang poker face lang. Kasi wala ka ng energy para maging masaya. Ako, ine-enjoy ko na lang talaga. Pinipilit na i-enjoy, di ba? Imbis na magreklamo, edi maging grateful na nabigyan ka ng opportunity na ganito. Kaya huwag mong pakawalan. Kaya yun. Ako ngayon, in-enjoy ko kamote ko. Although, alam ko, sa sunod, baka mas magbawas pa kami ng carbs. Baka umabot na lang ng 70, ganun. Kaya at least kaya pa naman. Importante naman doon, pre-workout tsaka post-workout. Yung oats natin, lalagay natin pre-workout. Ito nga pala kung paano ko lutuin yung oats ko. Sarap, promise. Alright guys, so let's make some epic oats. I love this recipe kasi nga oats can be volumized easily. Add ka ng water, then boom, you got a big bowl of goodness. So start by bringing the oats to a boil. Then next, add a little cinnamon for flavor. Yeah. Then we have pink salt. Joke lang. Wala na pala. Hindi naman ako burgis. Regular salt can work too. Sodium lang naman yan. Then we have our secret recipe. To level up the flavor, I'm adding signature caramel flavor enhancer. And now for the gains. I'm using Rue One's Whey Isolate from Express Supplements. Shout out to Kuya Mags for hooking me up. So, yun. To top it off, we will add some strawberries and mix it up. And then there you have it. A massive 430 grams bowl from just 35 grams of oats. So, napakadaling gawin. It will keep you full for longer. So, best for dieting. So, yun. So, try it out. Let me know how it goes. Yun, nakita niyo naman. Hindi siya boring. Siyempre, parang hindi ka nakadiet actually kung alam mo lang paano mag-prep. Siyempre, it takes time. Or kung talented ka na cook, di ba? Maganda. Pero for me, na dati pang nag-cook, parang I built the knowledge na lang siguro na kung paano magluto, kung paano magpalasa, kung ano yung trip kong lasa, di ba? Maraming alternatives actually. Although medyo kamahalan siya sa typical, hindi worth it. Worth it lahat. Parang lahat ng to investment din naman. So at the end of the day, di ka talo. Ngayon, mag-legs ako. Ewan ko na lang yung sasali ko pa sa video. Pero, we'll try my best. Yun lang. After second meal, konting trabaho lang. Tapos, third meal na, which is our pre-workout oats. Leg day tayo ngayon, pero full leg day workout siguro sunod na. Pre-workout ito ang gamitin natin sa gabi. It's already 11:38 p.m. So, ito tayo. Non-stim pre-workout. Pero yung pre-workout meal ko, kain ko na kanina kasama sina Papa. Pero yun, yung post-workout meal natin. Daming kamote yan, kaya kaka-excite, diba? Yun. Pre-workouts, warm-up sets, G time. Let's go.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wait.
Okay, 100 grams ng carbs. Pero hanggang nyo guys, tulad pa ng saying ng Big Waves, yung risk over fear. Kung hindi ka baliw, hindi ka mananalo. Kasi yung iba, wala sila sa state of mind na gusto nyo lang yung discomfort. Kaya kung natatakot ka, mas lalong need mo ma-overcome yun. No risk, no story, di ba? No risk, no glory. Mind over matter. Hindi lang sa prep. If you reached that part of your life na parang kung subukan na, yun ang magkakalaman kung gano'ng katatag isip mo. Pag matibag yan, nako, malabo. Yan mo need tatagan. E-time.
Arranged up to your greatness, famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
So, dahil kakatapos ng workout, time na para kumain. Nasa gym pa rin tayo. 1:39 a.m. Medyo na late tayo magbuhat. Kasi lalo ako kanina 4 and mat. Sabi kumain after leg din. Balik pala sa meal ko ito. Karamihan ng carbs ko andito. Kasi post-workout, receptive katawan sa carbs. Kasi mababa na ang carbs mo, dinediplete mo pa during workout. Yung pag-respond ng katawan, mas mabilis. Kaya kailangan yung post-workout. Doon importante yung carbs. Pre-workout and post-workout. Pre-workout kasi gusto mo may constant source of energy. Post-workout para ma-replenish yung glycogen na na-spend mo. Sarap ng kamote. Lahat naman siguro sa prep na masarap eh. Gusto nyo lang ito tapos I'll head back home. Ganito yung last meal. Yun lang.